Today we are standing on Main Street in Albion, New York, and there's the headlights of Falls Road Railroad 2035 coming down the line. Sorry for the shakes, but I don't have a tripod and I'm zoomed in all the way. I'm going to come along over here, film them. Move over a bit. I don't know if you can hear the horn, of course I can. Now I'm going to step back a bit so I can get a good video of this guy. I did bring extra batteries in case I run out, but I shouldn't run out during this. Here she comes in all her glory. Crossing is going to activate. I love those bells. There goes Platt Street crossing. You hear that in the distance. There's a crossing. Ah, smell that diesel. You need to get some smell-o-vision here. Oh, watch him go off in the distance. He's blowing the horn from McKinley Street. I love the smell of that diesel. Falls Road Railroad's definitely my favorite railroad. Another look at the crossing. I love the bells on that crossing. It's definitely one of my favorite crossings. One of my favorite railroads and one of my favorite locomotives. Alco RS-32. One last look at that crossing. Thank you for watching, and that will be it.